Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to share Temu product to WhatsApp. So open the Temu app. Now browse or search for the item. Then tap on the product. Next, at the top right corner of the product page, you'll see a share icon. Tap on that. After tapping share, your phone share menu will appear. So you can share it to other social medias, but we're going to click on WhatsApp. Next, pick contact or group. So choose a friend, multiple contacts, or a WhatsApp group. So Tamo will attach the product link automatically and tap the green send button in WhatsApp. And that's it. So your friend can click the link and open the same Temo item instantly. Now, if you don't want to use direct share, what you can do is tap on share at the top right. You can tap on copy link, close Temu, and open WhatsApp. So once you open WhatsApp, search for the person that you want to send this product to. Open it, click on the message box, and paste in the link. And click on send. And that's it. So that's how you can send or share Temu product to WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.